Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you credit card solution using the OpnBI. First of all, log in into the OpnBI. As you can see, we have the solution of credit card transaction on your screen. Before starting the understanding of a credit card solution, I would like to show you how I have prepared the dataset of credit card solution. We took the CSV of transactions from 2002 to 2020 and added into the shared resources here. And then we used that CSV and added that CSV into the dataset and prepared the dataset of credit card transaction. And then we used that credit card transaction dataset into the credit card solution dashboard. The first dashboard stands for credit card transaction. Credit card issues and the spending from 2002 to 2020, and also you can filter it from the years from 2002 and the available years. Let me show you. I am filtering from 2002 to 2005. Here we have a data of a spending through credit cards from 2002 to 2005 and the type of transactions. The transaction type contains swipe transaction, online transaction and chip transaction, where we can see the transaction count and the amount of transaction from the different type of transactions. Here we also have the type of issues from the credit card transaction, and we can see we have the highest issue number, 88 issues of insufficient balance. Now we also covered the fraud from the credit cards. So let me just clear the filter using the clear filter button from the top right corner. So first of all, we have the two KPIs. One stands for fraud transaction total amount and second stands for number of frauds on the credit card. Here we have 2.62 thousand of amount has been fraud from 2002 to 2020, and also we have number of frauds where we can see the 27 times the fraud happened. Now related to fraud, we have prepared the ratio from the total customers, where we can see 0.14% customer have faced the fraud and the 99.86% customer didn't face any of the fraud from the transactions. On the bottom right corner, we have the transaction location of the merchant all around the globe, where we can zoom into the map and see the number of transactions and the locations. From this bar chart of spending through credit card per year from 2002 to 2020, from this bar chart, by clicking off any of the bar, we can see the refresh in all the components in once. Like I am clicking on 2019 and I can see fraud data, transaction, type of issues, detail and the locations of a merchant in one click. Where I am clicking on 2010, I can see all the type of transactions, issues, and again the same. I hope you like the video of a credit card transaction. Please stay tuned for the more videos from credit card solution. Keep watching and keep learning. Thank you so much for watching till the end.